Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? B plus room plus stick. Broomstick. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And now here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for tuning us in today to watch Classic Concentration. Let me tell you about this young lady on my left. Her name is Lisa Bondi. She has played 3 games. She has won 3 games, and a total of $15,815 in prizes, including $800 in cash. 2 fabulous vacations. The young lady is going to get married next summer, so one of those vacations could certainly be a great honeymoon for you.
It would be great.
But you may have upset this gentleman on our last program because he wants to beat you today. This is Richard Lake. Welcome back, Richard.
How you doing, Alex?
I'm well. Now, you're vulnerable because of that 1 strike against you. You've already lost that 1 game, so
that's
you
true.
Can't afford to make any mistakes today.
No more. That's it.
Good luck. Take a look over here. Here's a prize you're playing for.
Flavorite Kitchen Nutrition Cooking System featuring Whistling Temp Tone. This unusual healthy food preparation method helps preserve vitamins and minerals. Furnished by Regal. Alex?
And the prize can be found right here on our board. Cookware at number 5. Also, somewhere on the board, a holiday in Mexico City. And Richard, you pick first.
Okay, let's try to find that Mexico trip under number 12.
Gold bracelet.
I could definitely use that. Let's try to match that up under number 1.
Silver candelabras. No match. Lisa?
Let's look under number 9.
Red take.
And the match under number 13.
His and her swimwear. No match. Richard?
Okay, Alex, let's look under number 24 for a wild card.
Sofa.
Use the sofa, definitely. Let's try to match that sofa up under number 21.
No. Green take. Lisa?
Let's look under number 17.
Red take.
And the match under number 9.
Red take. Let me tell you something about Lisa. She sits here, no matter what happens, she smiles. But it's a sinister smile. Have you noticed? It says, I like what I'm doing and I'm going to kill you. Open these 2 panels for Lisa. Select again.
Number 14.
Wall mirror.
And how about a match under number 7?
Car telephone. No match. Richard?
Okay, let's look under number 5 for a wild card.
Cookware.
Cookware. And let's try for the match under number 18.
No, an oak wine rack. No match. Lisa?
Number 16.
Wild card. What are you going to put that together with?
I'm going to go fishing for that vacation under number 20.
20 for a car phone.
Great.
Budding lawyer could certainly use that. We saw it just a moment ago at number 7. All right, let's put it up and open 3 panels for Lisa. Pick again.
Number 24.
Sofa.
Was that at number 25?
No, that's the Mexico City vacation, Richard.
Okay, Alex, let's see if we can't find that Mexico trip under number 22.
No, sofa.
And a match under number 24.
Didn't have to go very far to make that match. 2 panels on the bottom of the puzzle. How helpful? Let's see.
Okay, let's keep hunting for the trip under number 1.
Silver candelabras.
Candelabras. Was that under number 14?
No, wall mirror there. Lisa.
Were the candelabras under number 12?
No, gold bracelets.
No. How about number 18?
Oak wine rack. No match again. Richard.
Okay, let's go right in the middle there under number 13.
His and her swimwear.
And was that under number 15?
No, that's the oak wine rack. Lisa.
I already forgot where it was. Number 18?
Yes?
And number 15 for the match.
Now, if you're going to be married, you're going to be thinking about furnishing a home. He's got a sofa in his column.
I have a great sofa. I'll wait for something else.
All you need is one sofa.
Well, actually, I have two great sofas. It's one of those things.
Okay. Open it up then. Try it again.
Let's look under number 1.
Silver candelabras. Back to that.
Oh, I forgot. Number 12?
Gold bracelets.
I think we tried that one already, didn't we? Let's try under number 4.
Gold bracelet.
Oh, boy. And number 12.
That's right.
Hey!
Now, she may not have a gold bracelet. She may be thinking, now, hey,
She probably has 2 of them, actually.
Passed on the sofa. You think she has 2? Could be. Let's take a look and see if you can win this game, Richard.
Okay. Totally awesome.
Wait a minute. Wait. Oh, well, all right. I was studying that puzzle very carefully because there wasn't all that much showing. And I was trying to figure out how Richard came up with that solution.
Well, I've been living in California long enough to go that after awesome is totally before.
Totally awesome. Hey, dude, totally awesome.
Surf's up.
That was you. Surf's up. Let's go to the board.
Let's do it, baby.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay, you're going to ask me how I got this now. I know that's a toad. I don't really know what that is. Doll. Toad, doll, E. And 2 plus 2, 4 is the sum, so we got totally awesome.
We've just had a marvelous example, ladies and gentlemen, of a contestant who, by knowing what the bottom of the puzzle was able to figure out what the top part was and put it together, saved himself from defeat and a goodbye, saved himself from death, handed this young lady her first her first loss only, which means she'll be back to play in game number 2. We'll see you in that one, Lisa.
Thank you.
Richard, you got some prizes coming your way. Let's hear about them. All right.
Richard, you've got yourself a gold bracelet, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a gold bracelet or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise. And a sofa, the Lazy Boy sofa, distinctively tailored, elegantly styled, plus the comfort and quality you expect, furnished by Lazy Boy.
And he's already picked out the new car he wants. We'll tell you about that when we come back following the break. You ready for this?
I'm ready.
Okay. 15 numbered squares for Richard Lake. 35 seconds on the clock for him too. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2.
No.
14, 15.
Whoops. We made a mistake. Stop the clock right there. Stop it at 32. Stop it at 32. Back it up. We made an error. You said 14, not 4.
Right.
And we give you a choice right now. We can start over, or we can add 5 seconds to the clock, which will take it up to 37 seconds.
Give me 5 seconds.
Give him 5 seconds. Take it up to 37. 37, please. All right. You called 4, and the other number was?
Actually, I called 14, 15, but I guess 15.
Okay, 4 and 15. We'll block 4 for you, and then we'll reveal 14 and 15, and the clock will start when we do that.
Okay.
So close the door on 4, and 14 and 15 was the call. Start the clock.
5, 6.
No match.
14, 6.
No.
6, 15.
Right.
8, 9.
No.
10, 11.
No.
10, 8.
Yes.
13, 14.
No.
9, 14.
No.
12, 14.
No.
2, 3.
No.
14, 5.
No.
11, 5.
No.
4, 14.
No.
1, 13.
No, couldn't work out. You know what's amazing I've discovered in recent weeks? How the Civic and the Metro seem to confuse our contestants because they're both short names. And you get confused over that. Yeah, you wanted to go back to that. The Justy gets involved also. But you've got $1,159, the sofa and the gold bracelet, and you get to face Lisa again after this. Only one wild card in this tiebreaker game between Lisa and Richard, but we've added some good prizes. Here's an example.
Beautiful tones, sensitive touch and response, durable, long-lasting construction, and the famed Baldwin piano finish are features of this classic upright piano, furnished by Baldwin Piano and Organ Company. Alex?
Some people play by ear, Marjorie plays by toe. Show us on the board where we find the piano. At number 1, $500 in the cash pot, 5 bonus car seconds, and a New York Dude Ranch vacation. Can you believe that? A Dude Ranch vacation in New York? And you get to go first, Lisa.
Okay, let's look for the Dude Ranch under
Hey,
number
dude.
9.
Hey, dude, there's a CD player.
Okay, let's look for the match to that CD player under number 13.
Yes. A match for the young lady. And a look at the puzzle. Do it now. Select again.
Okay, let's look under number 14.
Pair of table lamps.
And how about number 18?
Refrigerator freezer. No match. Richard.
Okay, well, I'm from New York. Let's try to look for that Dude Ranch on the number 18.
Refrigerator freezer.
Is that on the number 14?
No, that's the pair of table lamps.
Shoot me right now.
Lisa's going to hurt you now.
Oh, let's hope so. Let's look for number 21. Let's look under number 21.
Diamond and sapphire pendant.
That's my birthstone. I'd love to have a sapphire pendant. Let's look under number 25.
Cash pot. No match. Richard.
Okay, back to me. Number 19.
High-tech binoculars.
Okay, we can use those. And the match under number 6.
5 bonus car seconds. No match. Lisa.
How about number 10?
Red take.
Let's look for the match to that take under number 2.
Gardening gift certificate. No match there. Richard.
Okay, Alex, let's go on to the top right. Let's try number 5.
Pair of table lamps.
Pair of table lamps. The match for that is under 14.
Yeah. Boy, you were about to say something different, weren't you?
No, it was always 14.
It was always 14
That's gonna
in
go
your
with my
mind.
sofa, that one there.
Yes. That'll be the title of the book you write.
Yeah.
It was always going to be 14.
Hey, that's it.
Open these 2 panels for Richard Lake, please.
Okay.
Select
Okay,
again.
let's try number 25.
Cash pot?
And was that on the number 4? No.
No, that's the refrigerator freezer. Lisa!
Please.
Was the refrigerator freezer under number 22?
No, the bonus car seconds are there.
Oh, let's look for the match to that under number 12.
There's the wild card. The other bonus seconds on the board at number 6. And what this means, Lisa, is if you win the game, you will have 55 seconds on the clock.
I need it.
You need it? All right, let's see what happens, though. This is a tough puzzle. Open it up for her. Pick again.
Let's look under number 3.
Piano.
And the match to the piano at number 1.
Yeah. Good prize, big prize, valuable prize. How helpful are the 2 panels? That's the important question right now. Go again.
Let's look under number 17.
Green take?
I don't think we've seen that. Let's look right next door at 16.
No. Diamond and sapphire pendant. And as I recall, the sapphire is your birthstone.
I'd love to have that.
Richard?
Let's try number 21.
Oh.
And was that right above under number 16?
Oh, look at him. Oh,
Sorry.
so coy. Would it perchance have been at number 16?
Possibly, yeah.
Possibly, yes, it was.
Okay.
And if you can solve the puzzle, you will send Lisa home. Open it up. On the other hand, if she solves the puzzle,
She'll
we will
send me.
send you home. Yes, each of you vulnerable. Select.
Let's see, Alex. Let's try number 19.
High-tech binoculars.
Hey, let's go next door to number 20.
High-tech binoculars. Oh, boy.
All right.
It's coming alive. Open it up.
Coming along.
Try it again.
I think we're going to need to see what's under number 2.
Gardening gift certificate.
And let's try the match for the gardening certificate under number 10.
Red take. No match. Lisa?
Let's try number 8.
Green take.
Oh, and did we see that under number 11? Oh,
New York Dude Ranch vacation. Richard?
Aha. Let's try number 4.
Refrigerator, freezer.
And let's go to number 18.
Refrigerator, freezer. Did you really expect to find the refrigerator, freezer at number 4?
I never had a doubt.
Uh-huh. So that'll be the second book. It was always going to be 4.
Part 2, I never had a doubt.
Right, okay. Open it up. Try it again.
Okay, I don't think we've looked under number 24 yet.
Gardening gift certificate.
Let's try number 2 for the match.
Yep.
Hey!
Take a look. Select again.
Okay, Alex, let's look under number 23.
New York Dude Ranch
Was
Vacation.
that under number 11 for the match?
Yes.
Hey, all right.
Lisa's shaking her head, wondering, but she's still smiling, you notice. Open them up. Three more matches remain to be made.
Okay, Alex, let's try number 7.
Cash pot.
Cash pot, was that right next door on the number 8?
No. Lisa, here's your break.
Let's look under number 10 for the take.
Red tape.
Oh, I thought that was the green one. Number 15. Yes!
Good work for you. What do you want to grab with it? Dude Ranch?
Why not? The Dude Ranch.
Or the sapphire and diamond pendant?
Dude Ranch.
Sapphire is your stone.
Right.
It's your signature color. All right, Dude Ranch Vacation coming Lisa's way. Open the 2 panels for her. Select again. Whoa! All right, hands on your signaling buttons. We have very little work to do, just 4 reveals you can ring in after we have revealed number 7. Lisa?
Catch your death of cold.
Is it Catch Your Death of Cold? And Lisa is right. All right. Come on, young lady. Off you go to the board.
The arrows are pointing at the catcher and DETH, death, and the arrow is pointing at the off television, catcher, death of. The arrows are pointing at the coal plus the D, cold. Catch your death of cold.
Catch Your Death of Cold. Well done once again, Lisa. Richard, she's just an excellent player here on Classic Concentration.
Good luck,
You won a
kid.
game. You got about $1,200 in prizes. Congratulations on
I'm a
that.
happy guy.
Nice having you here.
Good
So
luck,
long,
Richard.
Richard. All right, Lisa, let's hear about your new prizes. Art.
Lisa, this time you've got a CD player, a compact disc digital audio player with convenient remote control that allows random program playback of up to 20 selections. And a New York Dude Ranch. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to New York. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Roseland Ranch in Stanfordville, New York, for casual ranch resort activities. You may swim in their indoor pool, explore the ranch on horseback, hike, or snowmobile. Year-round fun furnished by Roseland Ranch. And of course, the beautiful piano and the 5 bonus car seconds. Prizes worth $5,588.
$5,500. You're over the $20,000 mark, and lots of time on the clock to win a car when we come back. All right, Lisa, here are the 15 numbered squares. You would have had 50 seconds on the clock, but you picked up those bonus seconds in that game, so you're at 55. Good luck. Win a car. Do it.
1, 4.
No.
7, 10.
No.
13, 14.
No.
4, 11.
No.
1, 14.
Right.
8, 5.
No.
13, 5.
Yep.
2, 4.
No.
7, 3.
No.
10, 2.
Yes.
4, 6,
No.
9, 12,
No.
7, 15,
Yeah.
4, 12,
Yep.
8, 11,
No.
3, 11,
Yeah.
9, 6, Twice.
Oh, you're so close, so close. But you've got $21,403, and you're going to play again. We'll take a break. Art?
Some of today's participants may receive Daisy Turbo Spa. Makes your bath an aerated whirlpool that soothes, refreshes you. Pamper yourself with a Daisy Turbo Spa. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Lisa's coming back tomorrow to try to win a car, and we hope you will, too. See you then.
This is Art James speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.